Hi everyone, we're going to look at how we can justify why a number is rational. So we are going to take a look at 3 different numbers, and they already are rational and we know that, but we need to justify it. So we're going to take a look at -8, 2/3, and -3 1/4. So let's go ahead and get started here with the -8. In order to justify that it's rational, we need to remember what a rational number is. So I'm going to write that out, rational. And the cool thing about this word is it kind of has the definition within its name. In order to be a rational number, you need to be able to make a ratio out of 2 numbers. So if I look at -8, I need to come up with a way of turning that into a ratio of 2 numbers while keeping it equivalent or keeping it equal to -8. So if I have -8 over 1, that is still equivalent to -8. Those still equal -8, but you can see that it's a ratio of 2 numbers. So those are equal, and that is my justification. Okay, so now I'm going to look at the next number, which is 2/3. And if I look at that, that already is a ratio of 2 numbers. It's 2 to 3. Remember, these are the 3 different ways you could write that out. So my justification is it already is a ratio of 2 numbers. All right, the last number that we're going to take a look at is -3 1/4. A lot of people want to say that this is also already done because it's a fraction, but it's not a ratio of 2 numbers because of that -3 out in front. So what we want to do is we want it to be equivalent. If you think back to 6th grade, you can make equivalent mixed numbers and improper numbers. So we're going to change this mixed number to an improper. So I'm going to take that 3 wholes and multiply it by how many pieces are in there. 3 times 4 is 12, but I can't forget about this guy up here, that 1 extra piece. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus that extra piece is 13, and it's 13/4. So 3 1/4 is equivalent to 13/4. But this was -3 1/4, so I need to make sure that it's still a negative. So now they are equivalent. So this is my justification as to why -3 1/4 is a rational number. All right, so I hope you guys understand why you can justify why numbers are rational using those ratios.